Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sarah and I'm a level 1 student at Rehan School Islamabad campus. So viewers, as you know, I will come with a new TEDx talk topic. So today TEDx talk topic is in the happy secret to better work, and its speaker name is Sean Achor. So let's start. In the TEDx talk, the happy secret to better work, Sean Achor explains that happiness does not come after success. Instead, success comes when we are happy. He says that when our brain is positive, we become more creative, focused, and productive. Happy people work better, learn faster, and handle stress more easily. He also shares simple habits like gratitude, kindness, and positive thinking that can improve our happiness and performance in daily life. This is my TEDx talk. So I hope like it. Meet with the next TEDx talk and the new topic. So Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.